everyone. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of the color-changing milk experiment. So, for more information, we have prepared 7 questions so we can explain what really is the effect of dishwashing soap on food coloring and milk, and also to understand more the role of surface tension in this experiment. So, ano nga ba ang nangyayari dito? So basically, imagine the milk has this super thin invisible skin on top, and that is surface tension. When you add those food coloring drops, they just sit there all separate because of that skin. But the moment you add a tiny drop of dishwashing soap, the soap breaks that surface tension, and bang! The colors start swirling and mixing like crazy, like a mini colorful explosion.
So, what the science behind this with some visual spectacles? It's all about the fat molecules in the milk. These guys are responsible for creating that surface tension, that invisible ballast. The dish soap, well, it's a fat lover. It literally attacks the fat molecules, disrupting the surface tension and letting the color do their dance.
Now, is this a chemical reaction? No, it's a physical change. We're not creating any new substances here. It's just the colors mixing and moving around because of the change in surface tension. Simple, right?
Why does food coloring do not mix with milk? Food coloring does not mix with milk because of the milk's fat molecules. Milk is an emulsion, meaning it contains tiny fat droplets suspended in water. When you add food coloring, it does not dissolve in the water or the fat. Instead, it gets trapped in the fat droplets, creating swirls and pattern. This is similar to how oil and water don't mix.
Don't ever drink the food coloring. It's full of chemicals and it's definitely not meant for consumption. It's for experiment and making food look pretty, not for drinking.
So what is mean by adulterated milk? So I think of it as a fake milk. It's milk that's been mixed with water or other stuff to make it seems like there's more or not cool and not as a good for you as a pure milk.
What kind of milk produces the best swirling of colors? Evaporated or fresh milk, and why? Finally, which milk gives you the best swirling action? Fresh milk, hands down. It's got more fat, which means more surface tension, a stronger leading to a more dramatic, exciting swirl.
So, the addition of dishwashing soap to milk caused the food coloring to mix. This is because the soap disrupted the surface tension of the milk, which is created by the fat molecules. Fresh milk, having a higher fat content, showed a more dramatic effect of evaporated milk. Therefore, I conclude that the movement of the food coloring is directly related to the surface tension of the milk, and this tension can be altered by the addition of a surfactant like dishwashing soap.